Yo, what?
Family, united and free with our country, so you can do this!
Oh! Alright, so today I'm taking the kids to the playground here at the local school, and Leland's being a pain in the butt as usual. Hey, what are you doing? Just... Ow! Ow! Oh! Oh, Leland! Ow, why did you do that?
I don't like this place. I should probably step on this.
Whoa. Leland, get down. That's not how you use the...
This pole and the ground.
Whoa, careful. Okay, you're at a public playground. Behave yourself.
Daddy, film me! I can't Shayla, Dad. Dad, I can't.
Okay, Leanna, be very careful. Leland! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, oh no, Leland! Ow! Is your foot okay? Leland! God, what is the matter with you? Are you okay, Leanna?
Oh, it hurts. For real.
For real? It hurts.
Don't do that. Whee! And let me do the curvy one.
Oh, is that fun?
Yeah. Gotta get outside so it's clear. This playground sucks. I want to go to a big one.
Well, just enjoy yourself. It's a nice day. What's wrong with this playground? Hey, no, I told you, don't climb like that. Leland. Leland, you're supposed to go down the slide, not up the slide. Hey, Leland, calm down. Just play. Just enjoy yourself. Let out all that energy. Uh-oh. Hey, Leland, stop jumping off the slide. Oh, Leland! Oh, are you okay, Leanna?
Oh, he's really hit my neck.
Oh, okay, get up. Leland, get off. Leland, just go play, God. So it's a nice day. It's about 59 degrees. Leland! What the? You're not supposed to pee here? Are you kidding me? Leland! You don't pee? You just in a public playground? What the hell's the matter with you? Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
Just because it.
There are restrooms. There are restrooms here. There are restrooms. You just spat on me. You just spat on me. Right there. You just spat on me. Unbelievable. Cannot believe you, Leland.
Now it's gonna get me up here.
So embarrassing. What are you gonna do, Leland?
Ha!
Oh! Oh, watch what you're doing. Crap. Hi, Leanna. Are you having fun, Leanna?
Yeah.
Are you gonna go to... What? Leland, calm. Leland,
You can't keep me up here.
why do you have to kick everything? Stop. Calm down. You're gonna get hurt.
Whee! Ow! Me!
Are you having fun, Leanna?
I'm going over here.
Whoa! Oh no. Kid temper tantrum is taking over the nation.
Wait, what is this?
That is the Great Salt Lake.
Oh,
It's a big lake.
Wait, Daddy, I'm on Utah.
You're on Utah.
And
And Leanna's on Oklahoma.
Texas.
And Texas.
What am I on?
That's New Mexico. California.
Wait, I'm gonna try to Hawaii.
Washington. Hawaii's down right here.
Daddy, wait, what?
Hawaii's right there.
I got. Oh,
Alright, so here's a fun YouTube question for you guys. Hi, Leanna. How many squares can you guys count? Just from this camera angle. You might have to pause. you might have to pause the video to count them all. There's a lot. Well, just from what you can see through the camera, how many squares? Go ahead and comment below. Are you tired? Are you ready to go? Leland, what are you doing? You're not supposed to go on that side. Leland. Okay, you're not supposed to climb on it like that.
Who cares?
Who cares? I don't want to get kicked out. Hey, that's my water bottle. Leland. Hey, stop it. Leland. Leland, just go play. Just go play. What's wrong, Leanna?
Look!
Leland, what are you doing now?
Come on, Leland, it's been real.
Are you gonna walk across that? You're crazy.
Yeah,
You're gonna get hurt. And I don't want to take, I'm not in the mood to take you to the ER today. Uh-oh. My kid just pooped on your playground. Leland's gonna get hurt.
get up here and you can do nothing about it.
Leland, just go down the slide.
Yeah. Fine. Oh, your system has been
Okay, what was that?
That's so ridiculous.
That is so ridiculous.
Okay,
Huh?
that's ridiculous. Okay, I can do it. Let's go catch Leon.